Today, without taking so much of your time, we're going to be diving straight into super easy ways to earn money online. Welcome back to the channel where we'll discuss all things finances, best way to make money online, and most importantly, how to achieve financial freedom. Hello, my Wellpers TV family. Welcome back to the channel where we'll discuss all things finances, side hustles, entrepreneurship, the best way to make money online, how to invest wisely, and most importantly, how to achieve financial freedom. If you are new here, I'm Tina. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, like the videos by giving it a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out on any of our latest tips and tricks. Today, without taking so much of your time, we're going to be diving straight into super easy ways to earn money online by simply watching 30 seconds advertisements on your phone. Be it iPhone, Android, it doesn't matter. What matters is you have your phone and you have internet to browse, okay? So you heard that right. This method is completely free and available worldwide. So doesn't matter your location, Asian, African, United States, Europe, it doesn't matter. It's completely free and available worldwide. What matters is you have your phone. iPhone works, Android works, no matter what gadget you're using, make sure it's connected to internet and you can start earning right away. Lovelies, this method right here is tested and trusted. I, Tina, have tested this method myself just to make sure it works, and I'm sharing it with you. Let's get into it. Before we dive into the step-by-step guide, don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful and subscribe to Wellpers TV. This is the only way you can support us and encourage us to continue bringing you valuable contents for more money-making tips. And my lovelies, stay tuned for the big reveal at the end of this video, where I will be sharing some tips on how to maximize your earnings. All right, here are the step-by-step guide on how to make money online by simply watching 30 seconds ads. First, you will need to search Paidwork app and you have to download it. This app is available on both iOS and Android, and it's absolutely free to download. Once you have this app installed, make sure you have your email address that you still remember the password. I believe every one of us have an email address, without which it will be difficult to have a YouTube account, you know that. So sign up and verify your email address. This is a crucial step to ensure you receive your payments. After you've signed up, move on to the end section of the app and just start watching. Lovely, start watching the videos. This app will keep presenting you with 30 seconds ads to watch. Isn't this one of the craziest and laziest way to make money? So as you keep watching these ads, they earn you points. The points accumulate quickly and you can exchange them for cash or gift cards. Now, here is a pro tip. Do you know you can multitask while watching these ads? Yes. For instance, you can watch ads while you are on a transit. Say you're traveling, you're in a train or in a bus, you can be watching these ads. You can be watching these ads during your lunch break or even watching TV. This way you are not wasting extra time, and at the same time you're earning money effortlessly. The best part is you can watch ads anytime and anywhere, turning every moment into an opportunity to earn. Whether you're relaxing at home, hustling at work, or on the move, you can effortlessly make money by watching ads whenever it suits you. Now, let's talk my favorite parts, the numbers. If you watch ads for 8 hours a day, you can earn approximately $211.20 per month. It may sound like a lot of time, but remember the multitask I told you earlier? This is where it comes in. Why not you multitask? Go about your normal daily activities and allow the ads run on the background. How about that? How about you take this game up a notch? If you're really dedicated and watch ads for 15 hours a day, your monthly earnings can go up to $450. And if you ask me, that's a pretty good amount for simply watching ads. Who can benefit from this? Honestly, anyone. Whether you're a student looking to earn some extra cash, a stay-at-home parent, mom or dad, or someone looking to supplement their income, or you are simply looking to save up, some extra cash for that vacation, this method is perfect for you. In conclusion, lovelies, watching 30-second ads on your phone is a fantastic way to earn some extra cash. It's not gonna make you rich overnight, but it's a simple and easy side hustle that requires minimal effort. Think about if you're someone who's have a plan to start up a business and you require some sort of, little cash. Instead of going to borrow the money from a bank that would, asking you for some high interest payback, you can benefit from setting aside $450 a month towards setting up a future for yourself. Think about that. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to WellPost TV for more tips on how to make money online, offline. Don't forget to hit the bell notification so you never miss an update. Share with your families and friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe and keep hustling, my lovelies.